Hi everyone, thanks for checking out another InfoSec Hub video. Today we're going to talk about DNS hijacking or domain name hijacking. And I did a whole video on DNS before, so the DNS stands for domain name servers, and this is basically the key fundamental technique how the internet works. Let me explain how it works for the people that don't know exactly how it works. So DNS, you as a client, you go to a website, you type in www.google.com, your request is sent to a DNS server. On this DNS server, Google is linked to the IP address of the web server. This DNS server will then forward you to the web server on which that website runs and sends back the information to you. So that is how the internet works, because all websites basically have their own unique IP, but you're not able to remember all the IPs. It's really easy to remember CNN.com, Google.com, Facebook.com, you name it. There's all an IP address attached to it. So the DNS server acts as an intermediate service between you and the web server. So what can you do with DNS hijacking? Then you see you make a request. Your request goes to a hijacked DNS server. You get back an IP address of the website, and then it flows back to you, but it's an hijacked server. So you will end up at a malicious website. So the intermediate server that's in between the client and the server is hijacked, and this has a potential risk of you being forwarded to a website that is malicious. So there's a risk involved there. So every time a DNS request is made or the name is changed, there is a 60-day waiting time in between, so that all requests of the change, first it takes 60 days before they will be changed. This is a huge step to go against this hijacked DNS server and also the malicious server that's behind it. So that is a way to control this. And this is a rule that's published by ICANN, the Internet Corporation of Assigned Names and Numbers. And this is one way to tackle this. It's very easy to do this, to set up your own DNS server. You can even get the lists of other, legit servers, and then make sure that every time a client wants to connect to the server, you go over your own DNS server. They will be taken down within a week, but then the problem is already caused, causing you damages in forms of financial losses or reputational damages, stuff like that. Everything that you don't want when you run your business online. So it's very good to know that this exists, and it's also good. There are certain tools online to check if it's all kosher, if it's all checked out, because every DNS server also need to be verified. So I hope that is that's clear, and if not, please let me know if you have any questions about it.